I'm pretty sure many of you guys were not expecting this video, but yes, I am getting out of the Army. I have 12 days left. I have 12 days left in the United States Army and 12 hours. And honestly, I'm going to tell you guys, I'm sad, I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm nervous. And I just wanted to make this video to update you guys, to let y'all know what am I going to do. Am I giving up on YouTube? Am I going to go be a police officer? No, I'm not giving up on YouTube. And no, I'm not going to go be a police officer in the civilians. Oh, hold on. Let's do something real quick. Let's change something. Definitely, since I'm getting out, I should definitely probably take this off, right? Okay, that's still not civilian enough. That's still not civilian enough. All right. This is civilian enough. Yes, I'm getting out of the Army and I'm going all the way in on YouTube. I'm going to be a full-time YouTuber, creator, digital creator, nomad, digital nomad, whatever you want to call it. And I hope you guys will continue to rock with me on this channel and follow my journey. This channel now is going to be about my life, Davion West. And what's the next journey I'm talking about? I'm going to be traveling the world, and I plan on going to every single country on this planet. And I'm going to document my life on being a solo traveler. I really want to tell a story about the country, people of that country, so their culture, all the different foods, and just the history of these countries, right? Talking to locals. I don't want to just make a travel YouTube account where I'm out here in Paris, France, or Nice, France on the beach enjoying my life, right? Like, no. I want to give you guys something to look forward to every week. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. At the end of April, I am going to Las Vegas, and then I will be going somewhere else, which you guys will see, somewhere tropical after Vegas, and it'll just keep going and going and going. But let's just say Europe is gonna be the place I'm hitting the most at this summer. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, just let me know in the comment section below. Like I said, the military has taught me a lot, and I'm grateful for the military. I really am, but it's time for me to move on to my next journey. I really do hope you guys will continue to rock with me and roll with me. So if you have any questions or concerns, again, let me know. Hit me up in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram so you guys can keep track of where I'm at, Snapchat, Facebook, everything. If you guys want to see a country or a certain state, just hit it up in the comment section below, all right? With that being said, I hope everyone has a great day. No matter where you are in the world, just freaking smile, okay? Like, you can get through whatever you're going through, because we all go through something. Ciao.